environment fraught with economic volatility, buyers are practicing caution. But there are reasons to be more optimistic. रेटिंग एजेंसी मूडीज का कहना है कि स्ट्रॉन्ग फंडामेंटल्स की वजह से इंडिया इज वेल पोजिशन्ड टू हैंडल द नेगेटिव इफेक्ट्स ऑफ यूएस टैरिफ्स. This affirmation comes at a time when falling interest rates are set to make housing a lucrative option for wealthy Indians looking for a long-term tax-deductible option. Hi, I'm Nikita, your host for this month's Realty Roundup, where we cover big news impacting India's biggest employment-generating sector. While new launch numbers may have seen correction in the past few quarters, reputed developers with impeccable track records continue to bet on India's thriving residential hubs like Bengaluru and Gurgaon. उन मेगा डेवलपर्स की लिस्ट में जो जून के महीने में नए प्रोजेक्ट्स लॉन्च करने वाले हैं, लोधा, DLF, Experion, Assets and Purva शामिल हैं. In both these markets, especially Gurugram, the demand for spacious homes with ultra-premium amenities sustains. This is the reason all projects being launched in Gurugram offer 3 BHK and larger units. Understandably then, ये units 1.5 से 9 करोड़ रुपए तक की रेंज में अवेलेबल होंगे. Meanwhile, in a market where pricing concerns are making home purchases difficult for a large number of buyers, the Maharashtra government has approved its first comprehensive housing policy in almost 2 decades. Under the scheme titled Majhe Ghar Majhe Adhikar, the state plans to build 35 lakh affordable homes by 2030 with an investment of rupees 70,000 crore. Meant to benefit economically weaker sections and lower income group categories, the scheme will introduce a rent-to-own model. This way, working women, students और industrial workers एक घर को 10 साल तक ऑक्यूपाई कर सकते हैं, with an option to purchase it afterwards. More importantly, those investing in senior living projects will pay only 1,000 rupees as stamp duty and not the 7% that is the existing charge. Moving on, in a recent judgment, Supreme Court ने ये कहा है कि अगर कोई buyer अपनी contractual obligations को पूरा नहीं करता है, तो the seller is well within their rights to forfeit the earnest deposit. Supreme Court ने ये भी कहा है कि even though these words are used interchangeably, there is a difference between advance payment and earnest deposit. According to the court, earnest deposit is the money given for the purpose of binding a contract. For the seller, ये earnest deposit एक security की तरह काम करता है for the due performance of the contract. This judgment offers great clarity to buyers as well as sellers in terms of advance payment. This is all from us for this month. Stay tuned for more updates on all things real estate.